Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you love soft, cute, and effortless Korean hairstyles, then this video is just for you. Let's get started. 1. To achieve this feminine look, create a small ponytail, flip it inward using the topsy-tail method, and repeat the process on both sides to add beautiful texture and volume. Finish the style by tying delicate pink ribbons over the elastics for a sweet, coquette-inspired aesthetic. 2. Level up your look with this easy bow ponytail. Just loop your hair, split it into 2 wings, and wrap a tiny braid through the center to hide the band. It's a 60-second hack for a perfect, elegant finish. Hit like and try it today. 3. Get that viral Korean space bun look in under a minute. Just twist your hair into 2 high buns, braid the front strands for texture, and tie on some sheer ribbons for that perfect aesthetic touch. It's the ultimate cute and easy hairstyle. 4. This hairstyle is a quick way to get a high-volume, doll-like look. By tying a small section at the top and flipping it through itself, you create a lift that makes your hair look thicker and your face appear smaller. It's perfect for adding a cute, energetic vibe to long waves without much effort. 5. This style updates a classic braid by securing a side ponytail and braiding only a small section to wrap around the rest of the hair. You finish the look by gently pulling the braid for volume and adding pink bows for a soft, coquette aesthetic. 6. To achieve this cute look, simply section the top layers of your hair and use tiny elastics to create a series of pull-through loops down the sides. It adds such a sweet, voluminous frame to your face that's perfect for any occasion. 7. This hairstyle updates a classic look by securing 2 low ponytails and flipping each through itself to create a twisted effect at the base. Complete the style by braiding each side and adding pink bows for a charming, school-ready aesthetic. 8. These hairstyles elevate simple looks by using a flip technique for volume and delicate braiding to add texture. You can also try creating multiple braids that are merged together for a fuller, more intricate aesthetic. Finish by adding pink bows or curling front sections to create a soft, doll-like finish. 9. This hairstyle elevates a standard braid by securing the hair into a ponytail and repeatedly pulling sections through each other to create a thick, woven effect. The finished look offers a sophisticated, high-volume aesthetic that appears much more intricate than a traditional 3-strand braid. 10. These hairstyles elevate standard braids by using a pull-through or flip technique to create instant volume and thickness. You can add a charming, coquette aesthetic by accessorizing with pink bows or using braids to wrap around and secure sections of hair. For a more intricate finish, try merging multiple braids or twisting them around the crown for a doll-like crown effect. 11. To achieve this cute look, simply gather the top half of your hair into a half-up bun and gently pull the sides out to create a bow shape. Secure it with a small elastic and fan out the loops for a sweet, preppy vibe that's perfect for school or university. 12. To achieve this cute look, section off the top half of your hair and secure it with an elastic, then flip the ponytail inward to create a twisted effect. Repeat this process with a second section of hair underneath to create a layered double twist ponytail that looks super elegant and voluminous. It's a perfectly polished style for a classy day out. 13. For this take, small sections of hair are taken from the front and styled neatly on both sides. Then all the hair is gathered at the back, tied into a ponytail, and gently flipped inward for a cute look. 14. Take small sections of hair from the front and part them neatly. On one side at the top, make a small ponytail and flip it inward twice to create a space bun. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Then, make thin choice braids under both buns to complete the look. 15. Smooth the top hair neatly and make a low ponytail. Then take small sections of hair from both sides, braid them, and cross the braids under the ponytail. Secure everything nicely with a hairband to get a clean, soft, and cute everyday look. So these were 15 cute Korean hairstyles. Which one was your favorite? Tell me in the comments below.